What's up, y'all? Back to the gym. Welcome back to the channel. Levels Fit, Chase Owens. Had a couple days of just frustration, if that's even a word, going on in my head. Just a lot of things just consuming me. So past 2 workouts, past 2 days have just been hell. So today we're gonna make up for it. We're just gonna get to it. So some days you gotta completely drain it out. Some days you gotta come in, max the volume out on your headphones, and focus. Today I'm gonna be mixing a lot of different things that's just gonna get me just that pump, get me to that zone. I miss it. So stay tuned. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. If you're not, get to the gym and do exactly like I'm doing. Let's go. Far away. Let's play around. We're gonna get to our working sets now that are only gonna consist of flat bench. So we're going heavy, 6 to 8 reps.
You asked for it. We got it. LA Fitness Gear is finally here. Visit shoplafitness.com to order today. shoplafitness.com. Check out the new LA Fitness mobile app. Everything you need home workout.
There I go again, talking to the fucking camera. I didn't even press record. Like I was saying, and it didn't press record on the last set. This record button is a nightmare. But anyways, we're on the 5th set, going to 275, 325 reps. Let's get to work. All right, we had a 10 on each side, going 3 to 5 at 285.
Finally, here's a secret tip. You'll only get a little better. Get an extra workout in once a week. If you really want to shed those pounds, get on 55 to 45 minutes a night. Your main Thanks for watching Gold Standard Training Tips.
Blog.lafitness.com, your official online publication dedicated to healthy lifestyle options. Discover more ways to make
Push. Step all that area. I think it was triceps too. Push-ups. There you go. There you go. God. 2.5-ish. I'll take it.
Some health tips plus a Q&A with a registered dietitian. Simply submit your questions to nutrition@lafitness.com.
Moving on to pull-ups.
Twitter.com/LAfitness.
Then we're gonna go to shoulder, lateral shoulder raises. You're not going super heavy. You wanna make sure you get that nice form. You wanna really stretch some shoulders out. Come on now.
Follow us.
You got this.
Twitter.com/LAfitness.
Step 1 cleans, step 2 whitens. Every time I use this together, it felt like leaving at this level. Crest HD, 6 times cleaning and 6 times whitening. I can switch to Crest HD for what I was using.
I keep
Everybody, it's Tegan and Sarah, and you're watching LA Fitness TV.
I keep it already in that tilted form. So instead of coming here and rotating it, I already keep it pouring the cup out.
My prepaid rooms of the geeks. Waste time with the masterpiece. Waste time with the masterpiece.
Oh yeah, you can't.
Like it feels like I know it just looks like I'm not doing it.
This guy doesn't know what he's doing.
Alright guys, up to this point we've worked a majority of our upper body. We're going to end it with some V-bar curls and reverse curls as well. And then we'll call it a night. Hope you enjoy it. Today I know it's kind of all over the place. Like I said, I just wanted to hit the upper body and it gives you, sometimes you got to hit those workouts that give you just that mental motivational push, get you back motivated. So I needed that. And some days you got to go off task and just kind of work what you go with the flow, baby. Just go with the flow. That's better. Yeah, that's better. You have to put it right there for. So hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna end it with these curls. We'll call it a night. So like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, help grow the channel. And stay tuned for the next video.
Have you checked out our YouTube channel? youtube.com/LA Fitness. Watch the quick tip.